That's good. You made it with strawberries?
Crazy Chef vibe, right? So I saw this lady on the internet. I think her name is Miss Donna. She runs like a charity program, right? She makes cakes and stuff. She makes puddings and stuff. She's Jamaican, and she has a good vibe going, right? But interestingly, I saw her make for Christmas. She made a strawberry and sorrel oxtail, and I thought interesting. Then I thought about it for a little bit. So interestingly, I thought that's very interesting. Like I've never seen anyone cooked oxtail different from just the regular stewed oxtail, right? Where you take your oxtail, you season it, you braise it, and you stew it down, and it's oxtail. It's very good. Everyone likes oxtail. Right now, it's so expensive. Like I think it's been blown out of proportion, right? But anyway, today we're gonna try to make Mrs. Donna's strawberry sorrel oxtail. And if you don't know what sorrel is, it's a hibiscus plant, and they extract the juice and they use it to make a drink, right? So today we're gonna make strawberry sorrel oxtail. Like the video. If you're first time here, consider subscribing to the channel, right? So what you want to do is you want to do the obvious. You want to get your oxtail, wash, clean, season your oxtail, right? I didn't put any browning. I don't know if she put browning. It didn't look like she put browning, and she didn't have a recipe. So we're just freelancing. We're just trying to figure out if it's good, if it's not good, right? So you wash your oxtail, you season your oxtail, get your condiments, peppers, onions, garlic, a little bit of ginger, some carrot, some Irish potatoes, chop those up, scallion, thyme, and as always, a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper, right? So we do all that. And then you want to braise your oxtail. Braising off the oxtail, a little bit of oil, nice sear, always a nice sear. Nice sear, and then you just want to simmer. What you got to remember with oxtail is it's muscles. You can't boil it. Some people likes to pressure it, but me personally, I'm a more slow cooker kind of guy. I like to take it slow. I don't like to pressure nothing, right? Don't pressure nothing. Just take it slow. So I like to take it slow. You slow cook it, and once it starts falling off the bone, you get your gravy together, and you're good to go. So we're back to talking about the oxtail, right? Obviously, everyone knows. Right now, it's so expensive, right? So you want to slow cook your oxtail. You don't want to spend $9 a pound for oxtail just to put it in a pressure cooker and pressure it, right? You want to slow cook that bad boy, right? Slow cook it. Then you want to chop up your strawberries. I put the sorrel in. So I put the sorrel in close to when my oxtails. When it just first time it starts to leave the bone and your gravy starts to thicken and you think, oh, we need more water. That's when I put my sorrel. Right? With the sorrel and the strawberry, what I think it's gonna do, I think it's gonna give it a nice Swedish type of vibe. And some people put ketchup in their oxtail. Like some people do for the gravy, but they put a little ketchup or a little tomato paste. I think the sorrel and the strawberry, that's what it's gonna do. It's gonna give it that vibe. So I chop up my strawberry, not too small, because you don't want them to like just cook all the way out. So I chop it up a little bit, and I'm gonna put them in large chunks, right? If Miss Donna, if you ever seen this recipe was motivated by you, right? Because I saw her on a live and she was going on and on and on about great chefs in the world and Gordon Ramsay, blah, blah, blah. And, everyone came for her because it was something different. But then, as I said, sparked my interest. No, and I've never seen, I've seen curry dogs there. I've never seen anyone done anything out of the normal. So that's why I thought, let's give it a try. So that ends today's video. We're making strawberry, sorrel, oxtail. And as I said, what the strawberry and the sorrel is supposed to do, it's supposed to give that gravy a sweeter and more, like, it changed the taste a little bit. Like, it's supposed to mellows it out. Like, if you do red wine in your oxtail, some people put they saute their oxtail and they deglaze the pan with some red wine. So if you do that, it's pretty much the same thing, right? It's pretty much the same thing, like if you do a red wine deglaze. So it's pretty much the same thing. So let's see what happened with the strawberries and the sorrel. Supposed to give it a good vibe. That's what I think. I think it's supposed to give it a good vibe. But let me know if this is something you would try. Yeah, let me know if this is something you would try. And if you try it, come back and let us know if it was good. Yeah, so if you try it, you want to come back and let us know if it was good. And if you think you're gonna try, let us know, like, if it sparked your interest. So, Crazy Chef, big vibe. This is the strawberry sorrel oxtail. And if you're new to this channel, right, I'll give you a little secret. We like to try different stuff. So that's why we're so, like, we wanted to try this, because we like to try different stuff. I've cooked oxtail many different ways. I've cooked it on the stove, cooked it in the oven, I've cooked the whole tail. I've done a lot of things with oxtail, but this one is a vibe. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Like, share, subscribe. Go.
It's good, especially since it's with strawberries.
Okay.